Hi, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, I will explain how a neural network with two hidden layers works using a simple house price prediction example. We'll understand how each hidden layer performs calculations, how neurons learn different patterns, and why deep neural networks are more powerful than networks with a single hidden layer. So, let's get started. Let's begin with our example. Suppose we want to predict the price of a house using three input features. House size equals 2,000 square feet, number of bedrooms equals 3, age of the house equals 5 years. These three input values are fed into the neural network and connected to every neuron in the first hidden layer. Each neuron calculates a weighted sum by multiplying every input with its corresponding weight, adding a bias, and then applying the ReLU activation function. Let's look at the results. For neuron H11, the weighted sum is 2.2. Since the value is positive, ReLU keeps it unchanged, so the output is 2.2. For neuron H12, the weighted sum is minus 3.1. Because the value is negative, ReLU converts it to 0. For neuron H13, the weighted sum is 3.4, so ReLU outputs 3.4. These three outputs, 2.2, 0, and 3.4, are no longer raw input values. They are learned features that summarize different aspects of the house. Now these learned features become the inputs to the second hidden layer. Again, each neuron performs the same three steps. It computes a weighted sum, adds a bias, and applies the ReLU activation function. The calculations produce H21 equals 2.94, H22 equals 0.66. Now notice something interesting. The second hidden layer is not working directly with the house size, bedrooms, or age. Instead, it combines the patterns already learned by the first hidden layer to discover more meaningful relationships. For example, the first hidden layer may learn simple concepts such as large house, more bedrooms, newer property. The second hidden layer can combine these simple concepts into higher level patterns such as family-friendly home, high-demand property, premium property. These are not predefined rules. The neural network automatically learns these patterns by analyzing thousands of training examples and adjusting its weights to minimize prediction error. Finally, the output layer combines the outputs of the second hidden layer using another weighted sum. Y equals 45 times 2.94 plus 30 times 0.66 plus 50, which gives a predicted house price of approximately $202,100. Conclusion. The key takeaway is that each hidden layer learns at a different level of abstraction. The first hidden layer extracts simple features from the raw input data. The second hidden layer combines those simple features into richer and more meaningful representations. Finally, the output layer uses these learned representations to make an accurate prediction. This hierarchical learning is what makes deep neural networks so effective for solving complex problems such as image recognition, speech recognition, fraud detection, medical diagnosis, natural language processing, and price prediction. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to PM Expert for more practical tutorials on artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. See you in the next video.